come up and we'll just go into the three keys. If you send your shins forward, and if you take your seat back, and if you keep looking off in the horizon, all of those reference points spread you out front and back so that you could be over the arches of your seat. So if you take a seat, you send your shins, you lean them forward by pushing weight into it, and you reach your tailbone back and you keep your view on the horizon. This is really going to help you glide the fascia around so it's more balanced through your system. Now, while you do that, I'm going to have you turn your head to the right a few degrees, maybe to the right corner as you take a seat. Do the same thing. Take a seat and do that a few times. And then turn to the left corner and take a seat. And remember the knees, make sure they don't buckle inward, that they go out a little bit to the sides if you want to bias it, but keep your feet flat. You want all the weight to go down through the arches of your feet. Come back to the center and you're make this pulse, but make it smaller now. Make it so small that it's just a movement that you feel and I can't see. So if anyone's looking at you, they will not know that you're doing that. This is how you can ground and center yourself in a really quick way. And as you're listening to me and I review a little bit, see if you can really feel how you can be present in your body, not your personal body, but your human body, that evolutionary body that knows how to stand on its own 2 feet. Yesterday, we went into the whole body impression of a gesture, a simple gesture, depending on the meaning of that whole body shape. The whole body is impressed with that single gesture, but the meaning and the intention and the identity of what that gesture is really shapes your experience, and you felt that in a palpable way. And then we talked about the developmental process, how you become a human standing on earth and all of the influences of that, and how if you clarify the humanity of your standing on earthness, if you clarify that, it becomes this huge wellspring of resource of support system, accessibility to the things that you maybe didn't get in the developmental process from your culture, from your generation. It doesn't matter. What you have available to you in this body can expand your bandwidth, expands your presence, expands your capacity to perceive more clearly and more generously with yourself and the people that you're interacting with in the present moment. And what that allows you to do is change your narrative. You can't change the past, but we never actually have a past that isn't present. And we never have a future that isn't present. It's all present because our expectation and the way we retrieve our memories are defined by the present moment.